Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I will be showing you how I make my Jamaican salt mackerel. So let's get right into it. So here are my main ingredients that I will be using. I have my bell peppers, onion, Scotch bonnet, tomato, scallion and thyme, and garlic. So first I'm going to be boiling my salt mackerel for at least 30 minutes. I did throw off the first water after 15 minutes and then I boil it again. And then I allow it to soak in some more water. Then I deboned the salt mackerel. And now after cutting up all my seasoning, we're going to move on to the second step. So after heating my frying pan, I did add some oil. And once I added my oil, then we're going to go in with our seasonings and saute for at least 2 minutes. And now I'm adding in my deboned salt mackerel. And I'm just going to be adding in some black pepper and also about 1/4 teaspoon of Maggi fish seasoning. You don't want to over season this because it will change the taste of the salt mackerel if you add too much seasoning. All right, so this is the only 2 seasonings that I'll be adding in, and that will be it. So now I'm just going to allow this to saute for at least another minute or 2, and then I'll turn out the flames. Salt mackerel is such an easy and it's a delicious dish as well. Many Jamaicans like to have this for breakfast with like food such as dumpling, yams, sweet potato, banana. But you can have it with fried plantains, whichever you want to have it with. You can also have it for either breakfast or a dinner menu. All right, so here it was all done. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.